Hi, I'm Francis, the host of this show, Cooking with Dog.
こんにちは。今日は彩りのいい野菜を使って浅漬けを作ります。塩分控えめで美味しいので野菜がもりもりいただけますよ。
Let's prepare the vegetables. Separate the Napa cabbage leaves into the thick white part and leafy part. Cut the thick part into 2 to 3 cm pieces. Turnips and cabbage are also often used for tsukemono, Japanese pickles. Cut the leafy part into relatively large pieces. Place the Napa cabbage into a plastic produce bag. Trim off both ends of the cucumber. Slice the cucumber into 2 mm rounds. Cut the daikon radish lengthwise into 6 wedges. Peel the skin. Slice the wedge into 2 mm slices. To add a sense of the seasons, you can also add yuzu peel and yuzu juice, myoga ginger buds, or shiso leaves. Peel the skin of the carrot. Slice the carrot into 1 mm quarter moons. Place all the vegetables into the bag. The weight of the vegetables should be 300 grams in total. Add coarse salt. And close the plastic bag, leaving the bag filled with air. Shake the bag to distribute the salt. Now, remove the air inside. And close the mouth of the bag with a kitchen clip. Place a kitchen weight twice as heavy as the vegetables on top and let it sit for 30 to 40 minutes. Let's prepare the shredded kombu seaweed to add an umami flavor to the asazuke pickles. As it is dry and difficult to cut, steam it first. This will smooth out the wrinkles and soften the kombu, making it easier to cut. Cut the dashi kombu seaweed as thin as possible like shown. Prepare a generous amount of shredded kombu to make the asazuke more delicious. Shred the ginger root and cut the red chili pepper into rings. Now, the water in the vegetables has been extracted, so squeeze it out. Removing the excess water will keep the vegetables from becoming soggy and help create a pleasant texture. There is no need to remove all of the water so thoroughly. Add the vinegar, sugar, shredded kombu, and shredded ginger root. Add the red chili pepper to taste. Shake the bag again to coat it evenly. Remove the air and close the bag. Let the vegetables absorb the umami flavor from the kombu seaweed. You can enjoy the asazuke after about 30 minutes. Now, the asazuke is ready. Transfer the pickled vegetables into a food storage container. You can store this asazuke in the fridge for about 2 days, so please enjoy it when it is deliciously fresh. Arrange the asazuke into a bowl. Top with the bonito flakes, also known as katsuobushi. Finally, gently crush the toasted white sesame seeds with your fingers and sprinkle them on top. The vegetables will fully absorb the savory flavor the next day, making it more delicious. The slight change of the flavor will entertain your taste buds.
昆布とカツオの2つの旨味にごまの香りがプラスされてとっても美味しいです。
Instead of the dashi kombu seaweed, you can also use kombu dashi powder, kombu tea powder, or salted kombu. When using these kombu, be careful not to make the asazuke too salty. Good luck in the kitchen!